All right, so we have created all the necessary sprites, the sun, the moon, the earth, and of course the orbit as well. So I have simply used this orbit with a kind of a curve dotted line, right? So this is all that we are doing in the first step. And ignore this part because this is something that we will do in the third step. All right. So the second step, which I'm going to demonstrate, is now. Uh, After creating all the sprites, the next step, the second step, is to basically make this moon revolve around the earth in an elliptical orbit. So you might remember using the same code, the similar code, to kind of draw an elliptical orbit and make the planets move in that elliptical orbit when we were doing the scratch project of a solar system simulation. So we are going to use the same formula to decide the positions of the x or the values of the x and y for the moon. So here uh, I have used this formula of some distance into sine of timer into a fixed distance. Okay, and the same for y, some distance into cos of timer into the fixed distance. Now the fixed distance I have taken here is 30. So this is whatever factor that you will multiply this timer value with will decide the speed with which the moon is going to move, right? So if you increase this value, then faster the moon is going to revolve around the earth. Okay, and if you reduce it, obviously it is going to be a little slower. And the sine and cos are nothing but we do not have to go into the details of this mathematical concept of sine and cos. For now we can simply understand that these are the formulas that represent curves. Okay, so we are moving the moon in a curvature in an elliptical orbit that has these two curves, right? So that's why we are using the sine and cos formula. Now here, uh, along the x-axis, we are keeping the distance of 90, and along the y-axis we are reducing the length, so that is going to be 75. Why are we reducing it? So that this becomes an elliptical orbit. If you want to make it a circular orbit, then these two numbers will be the same. Okay, so this is the formula that we are going to write in order to make the moon revolve around the